Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove Facebook recommendations. So, Facebook recommendations can appear in different places, such as your feed, reels, people you may know, pages, or marketplace. So, remove recommended posts in your feed. So, to do it, open the Facebook app. Now, scroll down and look for the content that you don't like. Then, tap the three line in the top right corner. Then, tap Not Interested. So you will see less of ads like this. You can also click your profile picture, then scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Then go to settings. So once you're here, scroll down to preferences and open content preferences. Now in here, you can adjust your favorites, unfollows, news, preferences to prioritize content from people you follow. So when a recommended post appears, you can tap the three dots on the post, then select hypo, show less or not interested if it's available. Another method, so go back to your main feed. Now, what you can do is tap X next to a suggestion to dismiss it. So tap on that. Then in here, you can unfollow the page, you can snooze it, or you can report it and choose why you don't like that post. Then you can see less of that post. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.